I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. So, malapit na ang Mercury in Leo. So, madami nang nangyayari. So, parang nag-start up na somewhat na magkaroon ng mga changes in planetary alignment. So, kumbaga, the engine is starting up, no? So, let's check dahil it could be a new hobby. It could be a new love story, a new person, no? Mercury in Leo, July 18. So, ayan, kumbaga, di ba pag sa kotse, kailangan mong painitin muna, no? Tignan natin ang mga mangyayari. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So, you may resonate with the entire reading or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. I want to hold you in my arms. So, one thing is for sure, namimiss yung tao. It can be you. It can be your person. It can also be a mirrored energy. So, wala pa naman dito yung tarot cards. So, ang energy nito is longing, wanting, walking down memory lane. It kind of make me feel na miss niya, no, yung caress, na miss niya kung paano kang ngumiti, like in person, no, kung ako nagde-daydream, merong taong nasa harapan ko, nakita ko siya in person, parang nire-rewind ko, no, yung mga bagay na mga ginagawa namin. Especially kapag nagkakaroon kami ng physical contact, no? With the Two of Wands. Bakit daw ang bilis-bilis? The Ten of Cups. Itong relationship na ito, parang hindi siya dumaan sa normal process. Let me know sa comment section kung parang ang bilis ng mga pangyayari, no? Siguro meron ditong taong na-shock, pero sinakyan na lang, no, itong relationship. I feel like there's also someone here na love at first sight, no, kay person. Let's check here with the World card, the Nine of Wands, and the Three of Pentacles. So, si person natin, I think that they tried to swim in a different part of the ocean, no? So, hindi siya makontento sa isang lugar. Nag-try ng ibang ulam, ayan. Nag-try ng ibang putahe, no? With the Three of Pentacles, ngayon na pag-iisip-isipan niya, chances are, baka lumayo itong person na ito, no? Lumayo siya, like in physical, no? Yung in physical form, nasa probinsya, nasa ibang bansa, umalis ng bahay, katapat lang ng bahay nyo. There's a physical movement, no? The Nine of Wands, I think that this person tried siguro parang feeling niya, ano pa kaya? Ayan, minsan yung di ba yung nga sabi natin, curiosity kills the cat. So, itong person na ito, sobrang na-curious ka, ano pa ang mundong pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. So, they left you, no? Sana man lang sinama kanya sa mundo niya. No? Pero, of course, iba ang kanyang pananaw sa buhay. Baka gusto niya munang i-check, no, nang siya mag-isa. And this person did. The Page of Pentacles, the Two of Swords, the Seven of Cups. So, may pattern to. Kasi ang nakikita natin, alam mo man o hindi, no, kaka-break lang ni person, nag-jump na agad sa relationship, sa'yo napunta. Ngayon, parang ganun din yung nangyari. Or ngayon, ganun din ang kanyang ginagawa. I feel like meron tong nakausap online. Seven of Cups kasi parang trying everything that is being opened, kahit hindi pa nakabukas ang pinto, pilit bubuksan, no? So, actually seeking options, no? So, if that's the case, wala tong satisfaction. Maybe hindi siya satisfied sa sarili niya, hindi siya satisfied sa connection nyo, hindi siya satisfied sa past niya. Hindi ko pwede kasing sabihin na itong person na ito high standards eh. Kasi kung high standards ka, hindi ka agad, no? Hindi agad magja-jump into another relationship, pero parang ito sandaling-sandali lang. I think na yung iba pa nga sa inyo, ang nangyari dito is hindi pa kayo tapos, no? Hindi pa nag-e-end yung relationship ninyo. Si person, they're kind of trying to open a different path already, no? The Ten of Wands, the Fool card, the Empress. I feel like marupok, no, itong person natin. Yeah, there's something in here that your person probably talked to online. Hindi pa niya yon nakikita dati, ha? Sa online ito nagsimula. There might be some age gap, no, with you and your person. It can be a May-December love affair. It might not be. Baka konti lang din yung gap, no? Pero ang nakikita kasi natin dito, si person, but if we're not talking about the age muna, it can be yung mentality, no? Baka itong person na ito is isip bata. So, naakit, no? So, meron talagang third party dito na akit. I think that your person is very visual, no? Kung ano yung maganda sa paningin. So, hindi ko sinasabing wala kang itsura, no? I mean, ang ano niya kasi, parang more of kung ano yung kung ano yung magandang nakikita niya sa paningin niya. I feel like napabayaan mo siguro yung sarili mo, no? Very modern itong nakita niya, no? Sa mga lalaki siguro, no, buff, no? Or, alam mo yung ngayon, yung mga nakikitang kaldag ng kaldag. So, I feel like ganun. Kung babae naman, ito yung mga nagsasasayaw kung saan-saan, no? I feel like medyo may kalandian yung third party. So, anong laban natin sa malandi? Di, you know, para itong bulaklak na nang iinganyo, no, ng mga bubuyog. I feel like hindi lang kasi si person mo yung nainganyo. I feel like madami. Ngayon with the 10 of Wands, I feel like medyo mabigat kay person ngayon itong mga nangyayari. So, are they in trouble with the Page of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Page of Cups? So, parang ang gusto nito ni person, kamustahin ka, i-contact ka, para saan, no? I feel like si person parang gustong magpahiwatig, no, na babalik siya. I feel like for a few numbers of you, nakatanggap pa nga dito ng mga messages, text, no? Whether it is kay person galing or unknown number, calls, no? Siguro mga ano yun eh. Baka feeling mo scammer, hindi. Si person yun. Gusto niyang makipag-usap. With the page page of wands tuloy, the six of pentacles, the six of wands, and the hierophant. So I think this is a good news para sa kanya. I feel like itong person na ito is nagpaparamdam through also clicking, no, your likes, your stories, naga-heart, ayan. I think that this is your person's trying to test the waters, no? I-reject mo ba siya? Parang gusto niyang malaman kung welcome pa ba siya sa buhay mo. Low-key, no? Parang gusto niya ring malaman kung mapapatawad mo ba siya. So, low-key, gusto niyang maintindihan kung meron ba siyang puwang pa sa buhay mo. The King of Cups, the Wheel of Fortune, the Queen of Cups. So, the King and Queen of Cups are here. Hindi ko alam kung anong nangyari, bakit gusto niya bumalik. Baka kasi totoong ngayon pa lang niya nakikita na medyo may kakatihan, no, itong kanyang bago ngayon. Baka hindi dugo ang dumadaloy, no, dun sa third party, no. Baka pag nasugatan niyan, higad ang lumabas, no. Ayan, dapat ang panghugas niyan suka na may sili, no. King and Queen of Cups showed up. So, wag na nating itanggi. Yes, may galit tayo. Pero hinahanap pa rin niya yung puso mo. Hinahanap pa rin ng puso mo yung presence niya. This is a mirrored energy. King and Queen of Cups showed up, no? So, hindi lang siya pala ang nakakaramdam nito. Let me know sa comment section na yung ibang binabanggit ko dito, ikaw. Kasi it matches, no? It can be the energy na na-feel ko dito or nababasa ko. It can be an energy na palipat-lipat, no? Kaya nga sabi ko, it could be you. So, I don't know kung tinitikis mo siya. Yes, katulad ng sabi ko, nandun yung galit, no? Pero mahal pa rin natin with the Eight of Wands. Eto na nga ang message niya, no? With the Six of Cups. And the Justice. Six of Cups in reverse. So, ang pagbalik nito, hindi yung parang, kunyari magpapakita siya. Hindi ito yung parang mushy, no? Yung emotional, miss na kita, blah, blah. Hindi. Parang babalik ito as if nothing happened, no? Yes, your person can say, I'm sorry, kasi the Hierophant showed up, no? Pero yung parang ipiplease ka ng bongga, hindi. Siguro this person don't want to waste time. But then again, kasi ang nakikita natin, parang may pagbalik niya, no? Parang sasabihin niya, uy, wag mo nang anuhin, wag na nating pag-usapan pa yung past, no? Let's move forward to this, let's continue. Okay. So, let's see here the foreseeable outcome. Let's check the foreseeable outcome. The Four of Wands. Uy, I love that. the Eight of Swords, the Queen of Wands. So, meron tayong mga patakaran, no? Na hinain. Huwag kang lumabas. Mag-stay ka na dito. And I feel like your person, whether it is sinabi mo or yun yung gusto mong mangyari, I feel like si person already understood. Parang your person already uh, did the assignment. So, ito pala ang gusto niya. So, willing akong gawin. Doon sa mga nawalan ng yung mga na-broke yung family, no? Because of the third party, I feel like mabubuo uli and it's much stronger, no? For those who are in a relationship, there will be reconciliation. I think that pagbalik na nito, nandiyan na yung cohabitation, proposal, or kaya marriage, no? Just to prove that they are willing to tie the knot, no? Na magiging seryoso na sila. Let's see here kung ano ang message, no, ni universe sa'yo. Let's check the message of the universe. I always trust the direction of the universe and know I'm being guided. So the message here is, alam mo, parang tatanggalin ka naman niya ni universe sa isang sitwasyon kung alam niyang masasaktan ka. Ibabalik ka niya kung alam niyang ready na. So I feel like may mga learnings, yes, for the both of you, but it is also a learning to forgive, and accept, no, and giving the person another chance. Now, kasi parang ibinalik ito ng universe to make sure, no, na ma-experience mo the way how you want this relationship, no, to yung takbo niya, how you want it to be. So, and this is to be. Ayan. Ayan. So, parang sinasabi niya nga, no, na you have to accept the person back. But then again, that is just the universe 2 cents, no? At the end of the day, ikaw pa rin naman talaga ang masusunod, no? I don't know kung katigasan ng ulo mo ang masusunod or, you know, trusting the process. But let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Bago yan, I want you to know na sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question, no? Follow the instructions kung gusto niyo magtanong. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Leo, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Libra, Taurus, Virgo, Cancer, Capricorn, Sagittarius, nabanggit ko na. Aries is here. Ayan. Leo. So, yeah, this is your reading. Cancer. Yeah, paulit-ulit dun sa Cancer, no? This is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.